Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so the connection process goes smoothly. Open Settings and verify your iOS version. If it needs updating, install the update now. Next, sign in with your Apple ID under Settings, or tap Create New Apple ID to register one. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is enabled and stable. Also confirm date and time are set automatically so secure connections validate correctly. These steps remove common blockers before you open the App Store. Now open the App Store and tap your profile icon in the top right to begin the connection. You'll be asked to enter your Apple ID password, input it, and, if prompted, approve the device with two-factor authentication using the code sent to your trusted device. Once signed in, tap Manage Payments or Account Settings to confirm your billing method and region. Mismatched country settings often block downloads. Make sure your Apple ID shows as active and synced before proceeding to download apps. Finish by downloading an app to verify the connection works. Search or browse, tap Get or the price, then authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. Wait for the install to complete and open the app to confirm functionality. If the App Store won't connect, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, restart the iPhone, and sign back in. This refreshes credentials and network tokens. Also check Apple system status for outages. If problems persist, contact Apple support with your Apple ID details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.